Hi everybody, today we are going to learn how to completely clear your Google Maps location history tracking log. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. Look at the top right corner of the interface layout and tap directly on your profile picture or initial icon. From the Account Options menu that appears on your display screen, tap explicitly on Your Timeline. Once the timeline interface loads, locate the three vertical dots icon in the top right corner of your screen layout and tap it. From the drop-down Settings menu list, tap on the section labeled Location and Privacy Settings. Scroll down through the Personal Content menu options layout until you find the Location Settings headers. Tap directly on the setting labeled Delete All Timeline Data to clear out your entire historic tracking architecture. Tap to select the checkbox indicating that you understand your visits and routes will be permanently wiped from this device. Then tap Delete to confirm the action. The application framework will instantly execute the data purge, completely scrubbing your entire physical movement log and leaving the background tracking layout empty. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.